Hi everyone, how are you? Hope you're doing well and welcome back to the class of UGC Net English series. So we have been doing this series and just look at the cuteness of this question. It's just few words question. It's not even a complete line or sentence. So we will directly focus onto it and again I have just said that there are questions which are direct questions. You have to know it. If you do not know the story or the poem or the novel or the play, whatever the question is about, nothing can happen, nothing can go right. If you know it well enough, if you do not know it, sorry to say that you might lose marks. You can obviously go for random guessing, but random guessing sometimes do not work. Sometimes it works if you're lucky enough, it will work, but if you're not, then I'm really sorry that you will lose 2 marks. So that's why I try to give as much insight possible, so that if one question comes from a particular thing, then they UGC tends to follow to repeat. They do not repeat the question, they repeat the probably the character, they repeat the theme of the question, maybe with some other plot. They try to go almost like in and around the question. Okay, so there will be some questions regarding that particular one. Chalo, Adam in Adam Bed of George Eliot is mason, teacher, carpenter, doctor. 1859. Okay, and George Eliot was a realist Victorian novel. He was a realist. This Adam Bede was a realist Victorian novel. Got it? Understood. And he focuses on rural life, mortality, and human relationship. What it has focused on? Understood? Okay. Now, the protagonist of the novel, coming to the protagonist of the novel, Adam Bede, he was a skilled carpenter, artisan. Okay, he was a skilled carpenter. Now, why carpenter is important? That is very important. You have to understand. Adam is not just any worker. He represents what? Carpenter represents what? Honesty. Of course, honesty. मेहनत से ईमानदारी से काम करता है, उसके साथ हार्ड वर्क, उसके साथ मॉरल इंटीग्रिटी. Got it? Now Eliot uses him to show, he has been used to show number one, dignity of labor. And number two is ethical rural life. Understood? The social context is about working class artisans. Okay, it is about working class artisans and their respectable skilled life, double plus skilled, and it's about moral center of the novel. Okay, understood. Now he reflects on realism, focus on ordinary people, not aristocrat heroes. Okay, the focus is primarily on ordinary people and not on aristocrat. The key relationship you have to understand over here is with another thing is Adam Bede shows honesty and discipline, that we have talked about, right? Now another character, Hetty Sorrel. What this character shows is a tragic figure, right? They have talked about Adam's bid, so next time they can ask about Hetty Sorrel, they can ask about Diana Morris. So that's why we are talking about it. Tragic figure. Then come Diana Morris. It's about its moral or spiritual influence, okay? Understood? Clear? Now coming to other work, obviously Mason, no connection with Adam. Teacher, not his profession, and doctor, no link, because first of all they are not talking about these classes. That they do come from ordinary, but they are primarily talking about the working group of people. Okay, rural life, work ethics, moral conflict. They are talking about them. Understood? So with this, it leads to realism, dignity of labor. Got it? Now with this question has been solved. We will come back soon with some other questions. What you have to do, you have to just like, share and subscribe and comment and put the bell icon, just click the bell icon so that you can get all the latest notification, so that any doubt if you have, we can clarify it at that very moment. Okay, bye bye.